Okay, I'm gonna test this water, if this is safe with my water tester. Let's put in water. This one has a filter. A lot of people drink in this thing. Let me see here. Okay. So let's test that. This is the reverse osmosis that I have. Let me check that. Oh my God, man. Don't you ever guys drink that water. Please. Please guys, don't drink that water, please. Ain't that good. Look at that. That's 206, right? Wow. It's acceptable, but still, it's not that ideal water right there. It's supposed to be 50 and down. And check it out. No cutting, okay? I'm not gonna cut this video. This is the reverse osmosis that I got. Let me rinse this thing. Okay, sorry for all the mess in there. But this is the raw video showing you guys. Let me see this now. Let's do clear. That's the water. Look at that. 22, right on the dot. Look at that. It's pretty clean, right? Thanks guys for watching.